Assalamu alaikum children. Today our video class is on EVS, types of plants. Children, in the previous class we have studied types of plants. What are the types of plants? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. So what are trees? Big plants are called trees. Big plants, tall plants with strong stem are called trees. Example, you can take banyan tree, apple tree, coconut tree, etc. Shrubs are not as tall as trees. They are small plants, strong plants, and the stem is very strong, woody stem. These are shrubs. Example, you can take rose plant, hibiscus plant. Then coming to herb. Herbs are small, weak plants with weak stem. The stem is very weak and thin. Their life is it is for only few months. They live only for few months. Example, you can take mint. Now coming to climbers. Climbers need a support. Climbers are weak plants. They cannot stand by their own. They need support. So either they take the support of some other tree or wall or stick. So that is why we call them as climbers. Creepers. Creepers too have a weak stem. What they do? They spread along the ground. They grow on the ground. They spread on the ground. Example of climber, you can take grapevine. Example of creeper, you can take watermelon or pumpkin. Then after the types of plants, we have studied parts of a plant. What are the parts of a plant? Root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. These are the parts of a plant. First we are having the root. The root, what they'll do? The root takes water and minerals from the soil. Then comes the stem. The stem carries this water taken by the roots to the leaves. Then these leaves, what they do? They make food utilizing this water, air, sunlight, and prepare the food. And after preparing food, it sends that food to different parts of a plant. That is the function of a leaf. Then coming to flower. What happens? A flower turns into a fruit later on. Then from the fruit is the part of the plant which gives us the seed, and from the seed again comes a new plant. These are the parts of the plant which I have explained you in the previous class. Types of plants, part of plants. Now where do we see plants, children? Plants can grow anywhere. Have you seen a forest? Forest यानी जंगल को कहते हैं. Forest, what will be there in the forest? What you can see in the forest? Plants we can see, big trees, plants, different kinds, and also animals. So a forest is nothing but a full of trees. We can find many kinds of trees, plants in the forest. So plants are grown in different places. First we are coming to forest. Plants are grown in the forest. And still where we can see plants are also grown in the desert. We can also see plants in desert. There is very less water. Even though there is a less water, few types of plants like cactus grow there. These are the plants which grow in the desert. Plants grow in desert. Some plants, they doesn't require water, like the cactus plants. They doesn't require water. That is the reason we can find these kind of plants in the desert. And have you seen some plants growing in the water? What is that plant which you see that growing in the water? Yeah, it is a lotus. Some plants grow in the forest, some grow in the desert, in different places. Some plants grow in the water, like you can take example of a lotus. And some plants grow inside the rivers and oceans. Inside the rivers and oceans too, some plants grow along with the fishes. We can see different kinds of fishes in the oceans and seas. So plants are seen in many places. We can see plants are grown in many places, in the forest, in the desert, in water. And see, plants are grown in forest, in desert, in water, oceans and seas. So we can see plants growing in many places. Now coming to green plants, most probably we will be seeing what is the color of the plants? Green. And these green plants, so as we need, suppose in order to live, what we need? We need food. So in the same way, as we need food to live, and food gives us energy. Why we are eating food? It gives us energy. It helps us to live. It gives us energy. It helps us to grow. If we are eating food only, we will live. We are able to get energy and we are able to grow. In the same way, as we need food to grow, even plants need food. Plants also need food to grow. They need food to grow. So who is going to give them food? As your parents cook food for you and serve you, in the same way, plants also need food. So for the plants, who will going to prepare the food? For you, your mother will prepare the food. For the plants, the leaf will prepare the food. Who will prepare the food for the plants? The food for the plant is prepared by leaf. Especially in green plants, the leaf will prepare the food by taking water, different kinds of minerals, air, sunlight from the water from the roots and stem and air and sunlight, and then they prepares the food. After preparing this food, they will send it to the different parts of the plant. The food which is prepared by the leaf is sent it to the different parts. As your mother prepares the food and serve you all the members, your father, your brother, your sister and yourself. In the same way, the leaf will prepare the food and send it to the different parts of the plant, root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. So after that, after serving, you finish eating. Then the leftover food, what your mother will do? The leftover food, she'll clean it up and store it in the refrigerator. In the same way, these plants, what they do? After sending the food to the different parts of the plant, the leftover food, they store it in a form of a root. Some of the food is stored in roots. They'll store that extra food in stem, in leaf, in flower and fruit. For example, the food that is stored in fruit. You can take any fruit. You can take an apple or orange. Now flower. Take any flower which you are going to eat. That is cauliflower. Now leaf, you can take spinach. So the food which the leaf is going to store in different parts of the plant, that is eaten by us. A fruit is eaten by us in the form of apple or orange. Flower, that is cauliflower or broccoli, you can say. Leaf, spinach and different kinds of leafy vegetables. Coming to stem. Stem means which part we will eat? We will be sugarcane. Or you can also take potato. Now root. Root you can take carrot or beetroot. Carrot or beetroot. These are the parts of the plants in which food is stored in different form. Fruit, flower, leaf, stem, root. So in this way, plants are useful to us. In this way, the leaf is going to prepare the food and send it to the other parts of the plants. So this is about the types of plants, parts of the plants, and where the plants are grown, how the leaf prepare food and send it to the different parts of the body. Hope children you have understood the lesson. Thank you.